Mary Rosa Alleyne Hunnings CBE, known professionally as Mary Berry, is a British food writer, chef and television presenter. After being encouraged in domestic science classes at school, she studied catering and institutional management at college. She then moved to France at the age of 21 to study at Le Cordon Bleu Culinary School before working in a number of cooking-related jobs. She has published more than 75 cookery books, including her best-selling Baking Bible in 2009. Her first book was the Hamlin All-Color Cookbook in 1970. She hosted several television series for the BBC and Thames Television. Berry is an occasional contributor to Woman's Hour and Saturday Kitchen. She was a judge on the BBC One television programme The Great British Bake Off from its launch in 2010 until 2016, when it relocated to Channel 4. Berry was born on 24 March 1935, the second of three children, to Margaret and Alain William Stewart Berry. Alain was a surveyor and planner who served as mayor of Bath in 1952 and was closely involved in establishing the University of Bath at Claverton Down. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.